The library explains the library. Philip is a new student at the South Westphalia University of Applied Sciences. He wants to use the services of the library and contacts a librarian. She tells him that his Chipperello is also his library card. The account must be activated once in the library. She's doing this for him right now. When the account is activated, Philip can make use of all library services at all campuses of the university. External guests can also use the library. For this purpose, an identity document with a photograph is required. In the case of minors, the consent of a parent or legal guardian is also required. Philip is aware that the library stocks print and electronic media. He can borrow the media free of charge, also from the other branch libraries of the university. All media are listed in our online catalog Kai. The library has a Wi-Fi connection to which Philip can connect. He can use the individual or group workstations in the library. Philip didn't even know that. This is perfect for his study group. The librarian also tells him that he is not permitted to eat or make phone calls in the library. But he is allowed to bring his water bottle. She also shows him a homepage where news is published, such as changes in opening hours. Philip is impressed by how much the library has to offer. If he still has questions, he can always contact the library, in person or by email. Are you also a new student at the university and would you like to use the library? Do you have any further questions? Do you need help with research or do you want to come to a library training session? Visit our homepage and learn more about our services. The library helps.